Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 arrives with quiet confidence, a bike that doesn't try too hard to impress but ends up doing exactly that. At first glance, it's unmistakably a Bolt low-slung minimalist, with a touch of raw American bobber DNA fused with Yamaha's signature reliability and finesse. It captures a niche that's been relatively underserved, the lightweight cruiser that doesn't sacrifice style or attitude for approachability. With the Bolt 250, Yamaha has taken a proven name and given it a new lease of life, crafting a machine that speaks to new riders, urban commuters, and cruiser purists alike. Start it up, and you're greeted with the signature thump of a single-cylinder 4-stroke 249 cubic centimeters engine, air-cooled for simplicity, and tuned for torque rather than high-end speed. It's not about pushing red lines or chasing triple digits, this engine is all about smooth, accessible power. Producing around 20 horsepower and 19 Nm of torque, it feels just right for city cruising, weekend backroad escapes, and even occasional highway bursts. Yamaha has focused on refinement here. The engine response is linear and predictable, with fuel injection ensuring crisp throttle transitions regardless of temperature or altitude. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or overtaking slow-moving traffic, the Bolt 250 never feels like it's straining. There's a calm eagerness to the way it delivers power, subtle but satisfying. The 5-speed transmission complements the power plant beautifully. It's geared to maximize low-end torque and urban usability, and it does that without a hint of clunkiness. Gearing is spaced to keep the revs in the sweet spot, and the clutch action is light and forgiving, perfect for beginners or anyone who spends time in stop-and-go traffic. Shift feel is crisp, with Yamaha's typical mechanical precision, and neutral is easy to find. Something riders new and old can appreciate. Paired with a belt drive system, unusual at this displacement, the bike feels incredibly smooth and quiet on the move. Maintenance is minimal, and the belt itself contributes to that understated cruiser charm, with fewer vibrations and a cleaner aesthetic. Handling is where the Bolt 250 surprises most riders. At 150 kilograms wet, it's light for a cruiser, and that transforms how it feels through corners. Low-speed maneuverability is excellent, tight U-turns, lane filtering, and navigating parking lots is nearly effortless thanks to a generous steering lock and low center of gravity. The 2025 Bolt rides on a 29-degree rake, with a wheelbase just shy of 1,480 mm, offering that laid-back cruiser feel without compromising agility. Up front, you've got 41 mm telescopic forks that soak up bumps with commendable poise, while the rear twin shocks deliver a firm yet comfortable ride. You can still feel the road, but it's never harsh. Yamaha's approach here is all about balance, not too soft, not too stiff, just enough to keep you connected without being punishing. Stopping power comes courtesy of a single 282 mm disc at the front and a 220 mm disc at the rear. The calipers are modest but effective, and ABS is standard, another nod to modern safety without interrupting the bike's retro vibe. Braking feel is progressive, and the bike sheds speed predictably, without drama. Even under harder braking, it stays planted and composed. For a bike at this weight and speed, the brakes are more than adequate, and they inspire confidence for new riders while still delivering enough feedback to satisfy experienced hands. Where the Bolt 250 truly shines is in its design. It's got presence, real presence. The tank is a teardrop-shaped 12-liter steel unit, finished in deep metallic tones like obsidian black, midnight copper, and a new dusty blue that has become the favorite among younger riders. The engine is finished in matte black with contrast cooling fins, and exposed bolts give it a slightly industrial look. The twin rear shocks are chrome-tipped, breaking up the dark theme with just enough visual punch. The solo seat sits low at just 690 mm, offering a deep, cruiser-style riding position with feet-forward ergonomics. The handlebars are wide and slightly pulled back, making for a relaxed, upright stance that doesn't strain your back or wrists. Every line of this bike whispers custom-ready, and Yamaha knows it. Leaving plenty of room for personalization with aftermarket parts and accessories. Instrumentation is compact and digital, tucked into a single round unit mounted directly to the handlebar. It displays speed, trip meters, fuel gauge, and a gear position indicator. It's minimal but functional, in keeping with the bike's clean, stripped-back aesthetic. No flashy TFTs or overload of data, just what you need, nothing more. LED lighting all around brings a modern touch. The headlamp is circular with a smoked lens and a signature halo DRL ring. The rear taillight is compact and tucked neatly under the fender, and the turn signals are small but bright. Yamaha has done something quite clever with the Bolt 250. They've created a platform that doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It doesn't chase high-performance numbers, and it doesn't pack in overcomplicated tech. Instead, it focuses on delivering an engaging ride, classic looks, and an approachable attitude. For riders just stepping into the world of cruisers, or for those looking for a secondary bike that's easygoing and stylish, the Bolt 250 is almost a no-brainer. It's the kind of machine that reminds you why motorcycles are supposed to be fun and freeing. In terms of ergonomics, the Bolt 250 is incredibly forgiving. Riders from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 2 inches can find comfort here thanks to the smart design of the seat and controls. The foot pegs are mid-mounted but slightly pushed forward, offering that cruiser stance without feeling like you're doing a split. The seat itself is sculpted for comfort on longer rides, and there's an optional pillion seat and backrest for those who want to share the experience. Suspension preload at the rear is adjustable, allowing you to dial it in based on your load and preference. For weekend getaways, Yamaha offers a set of optional leather saddlebags and a minimalist rear rack, letting you travel light and stylish. Another big win for the Bolt 250 is its fuel efficiency. With Yamaha's precision fuel mapping and lightweight build, real-world riders are seeing over 90 miles per gallon, or about 38 kilometers per liter. Combine that with the 12-liter tank, and you're looking at a cruising range of over 450 kilometers, plenty for intercity trips or just extended joyrides through scenic backroads. The engine purrs along at around 6,000 RPM at 100 kilometers per hour, never sounding strained, and the entire bike feels like it was engineered to keep fatigue at bay. As for pricing, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 starts at approximately $4,499 in the US, or around 3.65 Indian rupees lakh in India, making it one of the most affordable entry-level cruisers with a big bike look. Considering what it offers: ABS, LED lighting, belt drive, modern fuel injection, and Yamaha's trusted build quality, it's excellent value for money. Yamaha has also ensured parts availability and aftermarket support will be robust, further adding to its appeal for both new and returning riders. But perhaps the Bolt 250's greatest strength is its attitude. It's not a bike that shouts for attention, but it commands respect all the same. It doesn't overwhelm, but it never feels underwhelming either. It exists in that rare sweet spot where practicality meets cool, where fun meets function. And in a market increasingly dominated by complex, tech-laden machines, the Bolt 250 offers a refreshing return to simplicity and soul. It's a motorcycle that knows exactly what it is, and more importantly, who it's for. For riders who want a motorcycle that looks like $1 million without costing it, that feels like a cruiser without handling like a boat, and that offers authentic riding joy without the intimidation factor, this is it. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is more than just a bike, it's an invitation. To ride. To explore. To belong. And it might just be the perfect way to start your cruiser story.